the very beginning. That's where we set the expectations of having a safe site. I was in the oil field for 19 years, both Gulf side and overseas. Out there in the middle of the water, you are the fire team. You are first aid. You're the only help you have from hours out. And then end up going into policing. Policing, we are the safety for the community. Went into building lumber mills. Lumber mills, I was an operator. When you're running this equipment, you have to be safe cautious. The moment you divert your attention from the work taking place, that's whenever you have collisions, damage, but worse, you have someone getting hurt. It's a team effort. And winning together is important, not just between safety and CEM side on site. All of our subcontractors, our customers, the constant safety walks and the presence on site to ensure that the task that is set before them is being done properly and that's being done safely. We're ensuring that you're still following those policies and not just talked about at the beginning of a day.